Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be trying out this extreme tire foam from Armor All with extreme shine. Stay tuned. To be fair to this extreme tire foam product, my tires are only about a week old, about 200 miles old. But I want to see the difference between this, just a regular tire, and applying this extreme tire foam from Armor All. I'm going to do a little time lapse. This is the foaming version. They have different versions. This is the foaming one. So I'm going to do a little time lapse, give you a side-by-side comparison to see how shiny these can get. You just apply a coat, a continuous coat here. I always go one time and then two. So it has been about 5 minutes since I sprayed this on. The bottle does say to leave it on there and dry for about 15 minutes. Overall, it has a nice little shine to it. What I like about this type of product compared to the wet look that you apply directly with the liquid type is that these, once it dries and you take your vehicle out, is not gonna stain as much on this side of your car. I've used the other ones that it's the same company or different companies. They're all pretty much the same. I've noticed that the ones that have that kind of like an oily feel to it, even after they supposedly dry, you run them and you have a lot of that residue that's left over. It starts to kick up here and it starts to dirty your car here. So that's always a plus there. But I have links to the description below if you're interested in this product. It wasn't too bad. It was about $4 or $5. I have a link on the bottom in the description to Amazon where you can order some for you if you like. But it does give it a nice little extra kick to the car. This has been the Smoking Beard. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I'm gonna wait about another 10 minutes before I move this car around. But yeah, pretty happy with the results. Thank you guys for watching.